Thank you.
Hi. In a society or country of multiple selves, each with their own sense of what's valuable to them in their life, is it possible to objectively conclude what is in the interest of that society when there is no self representing that society?
Well, I mean, in a society, what you want, what it makes sense to try to have is, and in a way this goes back to the question about rights a few minutes ago, the kinds of conditions that are necessary for all human selves, all human beings, to live and prosper together, right? I mean, just as I was saying, you know, you have to, I mean, to live, the case for egoism is in a way simple. You should be self-interested because you gotta be self-interested. Well, if we are to prosper as a society in community with other people, right? If we're going to have the kind of community in which we as individuals, because there is no self, you know, there's just the self, the individual self. But if we want to live in a society in which we can prosper as individuals, and we think, or individually you think, man, I can prosper a lot better living with a lot of other people, right? Then it makes sense to have the only kind of society that can ensure those preconditions that are necessary. So, thinking about it philosophically in fundamental terms, yes, we can identify what those preconditions are, respect for individuals' freedom, rights, that's still compatible with different selves, different individuals, having lots of differences in their optional interests, and compatible with respecting the rights of others, pursuing all sorts of, you know, leisure activities and wasting their time on this kind of movie or that kind of humor or whatever it might be. So there's room for a lot of variety in a proper society, but there's not room for people who violate others' rights or break those conditions down under which individuals can prosper. Okay.